G'day guys, my name's Taz, and these are the Duke Diaries, and in today's episode we're going to install this genuine reusable K&N air filter into my Duke 390. We're using part number KT-1211, and I got this from ratedparts.com. It was $75 delivered. In the box we got a K&N sticker, a Rated R sticker, business card, product brief, and the pre-oiled K&N air filter. Getting to the filter on the Duke 390 is quite simple. Remove the pillion seat using a 10mm socket. Unscrew the bolts that hold the rider's seat down. Lift the seat off, and that gives you access to the airbox. Swapping from 10 to 8mm. Remove these two from the airbox lid. Gently lift the airbox to access the filter. This is the stock throwaway filter, and this is the K&N air filter. You can see how dirty that is, and that's going to restrict airflow. Make sure your filter is oiled, because the oil is a very important part of collecting debris and preventing it from going into your engine. Gently reposition the airbox lid. See the little tongue on each side. You need to push that in. So using the two tongues at the back, you're just pushing against that, sliding those tongues into the grooves, positioning the lid so that your holes line up, and just reinserting the screws. Guys, with these 8mm screws screwed down, the airbox lid tight and sealed, time to put the seats back on. The front rider seat goes first. $10mm. in seat. Alright, time for the truth. So the K&N air filter doesn't really increase the performance, but it certainly increases the induction noise. Makes the throttle feel slightly crisper, and it makes the exhaust sound slightly deeper. It's also washable. So ultimately, the $75 that I paid for this K&N filter, I can wash it, re-oil it, reinstall it for the life of the bike. So it will pay for itself pretty quickly over time. Easy. So guys, that's all there is to installing the K&N air filter to the Duke 390. If you've got an RC390, it's a little bit more tricky because the tank's got to come off and you've got to expose the airbox. With the Duke, it's directly under the seat and it's a dead easy job. So guys, my name's Taz. Until next time, I'm out.